Hey everybody, it's Tom again. Today we're going to a car show in Grove, Oklahoma here, and it's a show called Anything Goes Car Meet, and we're gonna go there. There's a couple of cars they're gonna talk about. Well, one in particular. There's a copy of the Back to the Future Toyota 4x on there, and it is pretty. You'll have to watch through and see that truck. Completely restored. It looks brand new. In the future we'll be probably getting some footage on the DeLorean that goes with that truck. But here we go. Let's go watch some cars.
A little bit. It's a pretty cheap muffler. I'm gonna go to Forza and get a full.
Hell yeah.
Rider jacket in it?
Yeah. Nice truck.
Thank you. Don't take a video.
Oh yeah, sweet.
found myself a situation
Soundstripe.
full of woe and complication. It's got me running in my dreams.
Soundstripe.
Got me driving and I can't sleep. Hollering myself awake, trying to beat a windless game, dodging bullets all the way. Maybe I'll find you on my last day.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
I can't escape this situation, 'cause I won't meet the expectation. Over mountains, across the sea, I can't vanquish what I can't see. Hollering myself awake,
Soundstripe.
trying to beat a windless game, dodging bullets all the way.
Soundstripe.
Maybe I'll find you on my last day, and maybe I will find you on my last day.
Sound.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching all the way through the video. Share, like, and subscribe. We like to listen to the comments. I would really like to get some comments on the Back to the Future truck. He is going to put a front bumper on it. He's already got it. It just hasn't been installed yet. This truck is like a really fresh build, like the first time it's been out. And there it is there. But thanks, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.